Do you want to become either a data scientist, data analyst, NLP engineer, deep learning engineer, ML engineer, or data engineer? Here in this picture, you will understand what is the expectation from you. There are two important attitudes and three important skills which are required for this role. Statistical thinking and meditative mind are the attitude, and SQL means structured query language, Python and data visualization are the three important skills which are required for this role. Here are not the roadmap, 24/7 drona for you. Just write pip install drona and then run it. Hi, I'm Probit Devnath and I'm a data scientist. Welcome to my channel, Structuring Study. Today we'll discuss that how we can become either a data scientist, a data analyst, NLP engineer, machine learning engineer, deep learning engineer, or data engineer within just 6 months. Here is drona for you. Today, we'll learn from point 0. Let's take one new window or new tab and then just write Google Colab. Press enter, and here you will find the welcome note and then click it here. It will take some time for loading. This window will appear. If you have already used, cancel it. Okay. Now go to the file menu, then click new notebook. And just close it. And in this new notebook, we'll start from point 0. Means at first we will install the library drona, then we'll know that how we can use the library. Just write pip install drona, then either run it from here or by pressing shift enter. Let me zoom it a little bit so that you can see it clearly. It will not take much time for installation. Yeah, it's installing, collecting drona. Now successfully built NLTK, then successfully installed drona 11.0.0. means already there is version 11. Now restart the runtime. This is the library I have published to make the learning journey of data science aspirant super fast and structured. Now take a new code cell right here from drona, import tell me. So tell me is a function in this library. You'll understand all these things slowly. Now right here, tell me inside the parenthesis and quote, write any question you want. Say, who is the Prime Minister of India? And run it. Within just 50 milliseconds, you will get the answer. So it is writing, sorry, I have no experience for this question, because you can only ask data science, machine learning, deep learning related questions here. So here you can find beginners may type helplines. You can type either helplines or only help. Just paste it and run it. And you will get how we can proceed Means what type of questions you can ask and how the questions shall be asked at the beginning and what is the question can be asked at the last. So can the knowledge of data science help us to understand human psychology? Let us understand the last question first. Let me take another code cell, then it will be easier for us. Tell me, then run it. Here is the answer. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 points. Okay. So in this 9 points, you will understand how human psychology is related to data science and machine learning, because human psychologists have invented human-like intelligence or artificial intelligence. Here I have tried to understand human psychology from human-like intelligence. My understandings are as follows. So the first point just I am reading, human beings are like living computers. Living means loving and improving. So in this way, you will get a very deep understanding of human psychology. Now, come to the point. First, ask this question, what are the main subjects of data science? Just paste it here, then run it. Yeah. Here is the answer. That is, main subjects of data science team is coding, analytics framework, mathematics, artificial intelligence, business intelligence, and computer engineering. Just name it your subject. Now understand what is the structure in this library. So at first there are the main subjects, and then there are all the subjects are divided into modules, and each module is divided into topics, and each topic is divided into subtopics, and in these subtopics we'll get the concepts. So what we'll do, at first we'll take multiple cell and then we'll write that main modules, then I will take another cell, then write main topics, then I will take another cell, I will write main or just subtopics. Now take another line, tell me, parenthesis, then we can write what are the main modules of, what are the main modules of coding. Let me run it. Yeah, main modules of coding are Python and SQL. And if I want to understand what are the main topics of Python, then I can write, tell me, just main topics of Python. Let us see what are the topics. Yes. So we are getting integers, floats, and booleans, then string, list, tuple, set, dictionaries, then statement, indentation, and conditional, loops and iteration, list comprehension. There are so many things. Finally, we have NumPy, pandas, data wrangling, and data visualization. So if I want to understand what are the subtopics of integers, floats, and booleans, let us understand it. Right, tell me, parenthesis, quotation, then write it. We can also write subtopics of integers, floats, and boolean, or just the integers, floats, and boolean. So we are getting here the subtopics, the Python tokens, keywords, identifiers, literals, punctuations, and operators, then Python keywords, and in this way we're getting different subtopics. Let us understand what are the concepts. Tell me, say, Python tokens, keywords, identifiers, operators. Just copy it and paste it, then run it. You can run it either by clicking here or just pressing Shift Enter. Okay, so we are getting here the concept. So these concepts are very short but very effective. So in this way, we can go inside the deep of any of the subject like coding, analytics framework, mathematics, artificial intelligence, business intelligence, and computer engineering. See if I go to artificial intelligence, let's see what is coming. What are the main modules of artificial intelligence? Then run it. Here we are getting machine learning and deep learning. See, if I want to understand what are the things here in machine learning, write it and run it. See, there is a long list that computer science and machine learning, then general modeling technique, linear regression, Bayes variance trade-off, regularized linear regression. There are so many things. Let's see just one of these things, K-means clustering. The subtopics of K-means clustering. Let's see. Yes, there are understanding clustering algorithm, Python coding for K-means, few issues of K-means. So in this way, you will get all these things. Let's understand that what is elbow method for finding best numbers of clusters. So along with the concepts, in many questions you will get pictures so that your understanding can be concrete. So here you will get the coding also and the understanding of the concept. Let us understand what are the topics in coding, because in the coding section, let me go inside it first. What are the main modules of coding? Then there is Python, main topics of Python. Now understand it. Yes. So here I want to highlight this point, competitive coding. So in the competitive coding section, you will get a very, very important thing. That is subtopics of competitive coding. Here you will get, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this way. You will get 50 important, very, very important questions and answers of Python problem. These are very important for building a logical thinking pattern in your brain. Also, these are very, very important for interview. Let me check any of this. Say Python code to find next prime number. Say if I write it here in the concept section, paste, Here is the code. Just copy the code and paste it here, and you can run this code. There is no need to shift any window or search any of the things in Google, and you will get everything here inside the coding notebook itself. Say, so it is asking for any input integer. Say if I write 5 and then press enter, and it is giving the next prime number. 5 is next prime number of 5 is 7. So in this way, we can at first we can try the problem by ourselves, and then finally we can see what is the best possible solution for this problem. And now I would like to show you two important problems here. Say problem number 49, Python code to create a sentence from a dictionary. So input is here D for data. There is a dictionary, D for data, R for reader, O for ob, N for new, A for age. So we have to create the output like drona stands for data reader of new age. So how the program looks like, let's see. So I will paste it here, run it. So here is the input, this is the output, here is the code. Let me copy the code, then paste it here. Then run it. What is the input? Input is this. So I'll copy it and then just paste it, then press enter. So this is giving drona stands for data reader of new age. So we will understand everything, that what are the strings, what are list, what are tuples, list comprehensions, loops, everything slowly in Python section. And now I will come to the last problem, problem number 50. Let us understand what is. So I will paste it here, then run it. What is the question? Question is, data scientists must have statistical thinking and meditative mind in their attitude, and must have skills like Python, SQL, and data visualization. Write a Python code for converting a dictionary into a table using pandas. So pandas is a library which is very important for our data scientist. Here we have the code. Let me copy the code, then just paste it here, run it. So PD is not defined because we have not imported the library. So this line I have missed. So again, I can go here, then paste it, then press enter, then again run it. Now we are getting the table, that is attitude, statistical thinking, meditative mind, and in the skills column, we have Python, SQL, and data visualization. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get the notification for more and more meaningful videos. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.